So currently we're encountering an issue with this PC saying BIOS has been reset. Please decide how to continue. So this occurs often, and every time we boot the PC, what happens is this or the BIOS resets. So there could be a number of issues, but the most common issues are, one is the BIOS battery has run out or has expired, and two is there is a component that is causing issues or shorting out the motherboard. But for this one, we'll do one remedy, which is to replace the CMOS battery. So we have a CMOS battery, a CR2032 here. As you can see, we bought this in a watch store. You can find this on normal grocery stores if you have. And we're gonna be replacing the CMOS battery just beneath the GPU. You have to enter the BIOS, and then we have to select, since it has resetted, we have to select the language, and we have to set the boot sequence. Okay, so the first one should be Samsung, because currently our SSD is the one that has the OS. So we'll select, first one will be Samsung. So we have to press Alt plus and Alt minus to move it. So Alt plus, yeah, so we pressed Alt and the arrow keys in order to move the Samsung to the first one. Hi, hello Jazz. Halika Axel, I will teach you. So before, the Samsung is here, so we have to press Alt and arrow keys in order to move it to the first one. So for example, I will press Alt, move there, so it became the second one. So I'll press Alt, move to the first, so that the Samsung is the first one. After that, we need to escape, and then we have to save settings and exit. Okay, so how do we do that? We have to F3, save profile. So we have, okay, you can select this profile one. Okay, okay, we save the profile now, and we have to exit. F10, are you sure? Yes. So let's try.
No.
Later we'll try to reset it again if the error still occurs. So now that we are on the Windows, we are going to restart it and check if that error still occurs.
Wow.
So it's restarting now.
Oh my God. Wow.
So yeah, it's booting up to Windows directly now. So the problem was on the CMOS battery. Like if you like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and see you on the next video.